do it.
Oh, straight off the bat.
Hitting it hard. Here I go. I'm ready to fall in, baby. Let's get wet. Okay. I'm gonna do this like I would do most things. Very uncarefully. Craig is smart. Here. It's like ninja warrior. All right, next step. I'm gonna go there. Okay, I'm gonna handle this. Nope, wrong way. Wait, is that slippery? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, going to where you are, right? Or this way. I was gonna go Craig's way. Whoa, the moss. Whoop, stepped in a puddle. Everyone's okay. See, that guy was making fun of me. What? Yay.
Are you okay? No! Ow! Ow! That's why we don't do this! Do we go back, please? It hurts!
What are you doing? Got some banana bread. Sure. Pretty good. Mary made it.
Terrifying.
This way looks decent. This is good. This is good.
This is so slick.
Yeah, well, you know. There's already been an accident on the wooden reef. You can come this way and then we're gonna go down that way. Hopefully. That's hopefully the plan. Good old Vans. Let's see how much traction the waffle cones got. My shoes even tied? Yeah, I think we're okay. I think I can go this way. I'm just gonna walk out to the edge.
Yeah, don't use that one.
Oh,
I'm kind of discovering it again.
well, that one's nice.
This looks extra safe.
I don't know how stable that one is.
Here, which one?
That white one.
We're gonna go for it. Oh,
You jump it.
no, I'm not gonna jump, but I am coming down. Oh, that one's a little light. Whoa! Sinking.
Oh no!
Well, sinking. You can't stand on that one.
Yeah. I'm wondering, I don't think that white one is.
Well, my socks are completely wet.
They got into some weird.
Well, the bugs are pretty intense right here, but the wood is rotten, so I'm guessing they want to eat the wood. Oh, okay, jump over here. Okay, good. Okay, okay. I'm trying to get to Craig, am I? Maybe not. Maybe not. I might just go around and then get to him. This nice flat log over here.
Maybe? Okay. Way easier, thank you.
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Okay, holy what even is this happening right now? This is like an alpine dream.
I feel like I'm gonna fall in.
Sit your butt. It's the only way.